All right, y'all. April 15th, 2025, West Allis, Wisconsin. And, well, they got these things called flock cameras, and they're able to see the license plate on the car. They saw a stolen one. The cops went to the gas station and seen it. And this guy takes them on a wild chase twice. It's pretty fun. Let's go see it.
We go back southbound at Honey Creek. You ready, Zach? 94. We're getting on 94 right now. We're going to try pit, see what happens. 10-4. There's right now signaling that they're going to get off the expressway. Let us know we're getting off the expressway right now. And watch what's next. Are you gonna go? He's going back south on 124. Brookfield's with us. Miguel trying to get up to 124 in that burley right now. We're trying to pit it here right now.
All right, it's just jumped into the parking lot at the store here. Lost control, crashed. It's back out on the road. Brookfield's gonna pit it. All right, we're in the parking lot right now. Brookfield's got right behind it. It's coming back out to 124. All right, it's up in the Aspen Dental parking lot right now. All right, lost a tire, pit. Foot bail. You got him, I'm chasing that guy. He went across. All right, he's going in the Jimmy John's right now. Get on the ground now! All right, taser, they got him.
All right, so they waited him out at the gas station. They caught him once. Now he's going to go to the hospital, pretend like he needs a wheelchair, and he's going to run again. Let's check that out.
Oh, right over here where we are. Cut.
Huh?
Yeah, we in a cut.
Trying to overtake anyone. Here, stand up.
I wasn't trying to overtake.
No, I wasn't. You're not supposed to do that.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
And he's off.
Oh, he's taking off on me. I wham. Just south of Lincoln.
That's his shoes right there.
There's shoes. Hey, shoes. You see him? Come out right now. This is the West Allis Police Department. Come out now.
Check out the dog.
Yeah, go get your dog. Get the dog. Dog's coming. Stop. Don't move. Stop moving. Stop that.
And he's in a car in the garage here. We'll give him commands. Nate! .9 is in custody.
All right, well, there you have it. That's Charles Gregory. He's quite an interesting fellow. And, well, they caught him for a second time. They said it took 3 hours to find him the second time. Now he's down there in jail, and he's facing all sorts of charges for, like, the stolen vehicle, burglary, second-degree recklessness, endangering safety, fleeing officer, felony bail jumping, and all sorts of other wonderful charges as well. All right, guys. Always appreciate y'all tuning in to Freeze POV. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're going to see you on the next one.